Okay, so quick tutorial on moving from FormIt to Revit to printing. So this is this little pavilion project that I have, just something really simple, masked out in FormIt. And easy way to get something printed out of this. FormIt doesn't really have a tool to export something to scale, but it imports to Revit really, really nicely. So what we're going to do is do a file, save sketch as locally, and I'm just calling it walls and stairs. Save. So that is saving as a .axm, the standard FormIt file type. Then inside of Revit, I'm going to start a brand new scene. So brand new project, architectural template. And this is, note this is Revit 2022. 21 will not import an AXM file. You can do the same process though with exporting from FormIt as a DWG. So from here, I'm going to go to Insert, CAD, and I'm going to select not the walls and stairs DWG, but the FormIt file, AXM, walls and stairs. Open. So I've got that file. I'm going to go ahead and unpin it and move it just a little bit more to the center of my Revit screen. From here, you can see I'm really only looking at it from above. This is one of the things that we need to work through. Section cuts, which a floor plan is a section cut, aren't quite working with this. We're really seeing it only from the outside, no matter how it's being viewed. But the quick solution around that, to be able to sort of see the guts where the doors and windows are, simply to set it to wireframe. And as long as your object isn't too complicated, setting it to wireframe is going to allow you to see this, to be able to print it out, use it as an underlay, and continue moving the design forward. So the key thing with this is we want to be able to get this to scale from a printer so we can draw over the top of it. So right now this is an 1/8 inch, so I'm going to print this as a PDF that then we could send to any printer. So from here I would be going File, Print. I'm going to select Qt PDF Writer. It's my PDF writer of choice. I am going to go to the setup, and let's set this to an 11 by 17. Make sure you move the zoom from fit to page, which we do not want, to zoom 100%. This is going to verify that we are actually printing at a 1/8 inch scale. I'm going to say OK. And then I'm going to use the window, visible portion of current window, right here as my printing sheet. So this is going to do its very best to print everything that's active. So I'm going to hit preview and realize that I need to zoom way in. So let's hit close. Let's zoom in. Let's run through that same process again. File, print, Qt PDF, zoom 100. Let's change this to center as well. So it should be centered on 11 by 17, 1/8 inch scale. Preview, much better. So that would be that pavilion at 1/8 inch scale, ready to print to a PDF file. Easy peasy.